We're making keto spaghetti bolognese in a mug. Let's go. This is the first mug meal in our series. All along we've been making cakes and treats, but I wanted to give you the option to have instant noodles, a meal in a mug, and I thought of spaghetti bolognese. In this recipe, I'm using my zero carb viral noodles. And if you want to use that recipe too, there should be a link appearing in the top right of your screen. If you want to use other noodles, you can buy ready-made, or you can just cut up a tortilla or use an egg life wrap. They're really, really good. And do be careful of the ingredients. Check the ingredients to see that they are clean keto. That's my only advice. The nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. I'm using a jug just so it's easier to mix everything together. Add a half cup of the keto noodles of your choice to a mug or measuring jug, then 70 grams or 1 cup of cooked ground beef. Next is a half teaspoon of dried oregano, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of pepper, 4 tablespoons of red cooking sauce. I use passata, or you can use Rotell's if you like. Then 4 tablespoons of water to thin out the sauce and also to lower the carb count compared to the alternative of adding 8 tablespoons of red cooking sauce. You might also want to add salt to taste, but I didn't need any. And then add 30 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese and mix that together until fully combined. Pour that into the mug if you used a jug like I did, and I topped it off with a little more cooked ground beef, shredded cheese, and a sprinkle of dried oregano. Microwave for 90 seconds if you have a 700 watt microwave, and if you have a 1000 watt microwave, do microwave for 75 seconds. All done, and guys, just take a look at this, look at this, look at this. Well, I hope you get to try this lovely recipe with a mug in a meal, and gotta let you know how it tastes. So, oh my goodness. It tastes just like spaghetti bolognese. If you do get to try it, do let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.